Okay, geometry students, welcome to class today on this Wednesday the 15th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to learn some math today. Let's jump right into this. Please get out your pens, pencils, calculators, notebooks, books, and let's take some notes, okay? First of all, you have a quiz on Friday, okay? You will have a quiz on Friday. Make note of that and be ready for it. Turn in yesterday's homework, please. Would you pause right now and make sure your name is on your homework? Make sure your name is on your homework. Page 176, numbers 11 through 29 all. If you did not turn it in fact, the only people that did not turn it in was Jaden because he was sick, and Jabari, which we're going to talk about that a little later in the video here. So, please turn these in. Jaden, you're not in any trouble if it's not done, but it's a 0 until you make it up. But you have until the end of the week, and that's it. But remember, I believe Jaden was absent yesterday, so Jaden, it was your job to watch the video yesterday. Okay, I'm not going to ask you if you did that, but my point is it's your job to make sure that you're watching the video when you're at home, okay, sick or whatever reason you missed, okay? Moving on. Incompletes. I don't think we have any incompletes right now, but remember, when you miss a day of class, guys, here it is. Teach'em.com/geometrytrack2. Teach'em.com/geometrytrack2. Okay? All right, moving on. Now, let's talk about yesterday for just a second. I don't want to be mean to anybody, but if I was there in class, this is exactly what I would say to Jabari. Jabari, I've had you in 8th grade math. I've done weight training with you, and I've known you for years, okay? When I give you time to work on homework in class, you need to work on homework. Every day, Mr. Hamill and my other teachers give me updates on the class. I think it's ridiculous that I gave you guys time to work on homework in class. I did that to be nice. I could have done one of my algebra reviews that we've done this year, remember? To use up a little bit of class time, but I didn't do that. I knew how long the video was. I knew the homework video was about 12 minutes long, and so I was like, well, maybe they can get it done in class today. And then you sit there when Mr. Hamill tells you to work on it and tell him you're going to do it at home. Let me be very clear to the whole class. If Mr. Hamill tells me that happens again, not only will you not be allowed to turn it in, the 0 will stand. I will contact your parents and let them know why, okay? Now look, I'm not asking for perfection, okay? And I'm not asking for you to sit there and never whisper in class. That would be unreasonable. When I taught math in the past, I would always say if you're talking during class, it better be quickly, it better be quietly, and it better be about math. I had no problems, okay? Now look, when it's time to work on homework, guys, it's time to work on homework. So Mr. Hamill, you stay in touch with me, and I will give the 0s, and I will let the parents know why. And that's just how it is. And my suggestion to you, Mr. Hamill, if there's problems conduct-wise, you email the parents and let them know, okay? But anyways, moving on. So no more of that. The rest of the year, when you have time to work on homework in class, you work on it, or Mr. Hamill will let me know. Okay, Thursday and Friday, here we go. Now, guys, listen. Enjoy your day off tomorrow. No class. I'm happy for you, okay? Enjoy your day off tomorrow, okay? No class. Good. Volleyball team, I hope you do well. Friday, now listen to me carefully, guys. Friday, the volleyball team plays at 2. We're assuming they're going to win Thursday. They play at 2 on Friday. Now listen, guys, the email from Mr. Harmon said, now listen carefully, Mr. Hamill, I want you to know this. Students are not to leave until 6th period is over. So if any student in class, Mr. Hamill, wants to leave early, they need to have a note from their parents or something, or from a teacher saying why, because they need to be in geometry Friday until 6th period is over. Now, I'm not referring to the volleyball players, because the volleyball players obviously have to get warmed up and meet with their coach and change clothes and all that. So whenever they get out, it's fine. I don't care about that. But other students who are not on the volleyball team should not miss 6th hour. Okay. Now, volleyball players, listen, guys, we can't miss 2 days in a row. You understand that, okay? So, volleyball players, it is your job over the weekend to go to this website. And what is Friday? October 17th. It's your job to type in October 17th and watch what you missed. You'll have a makeup quiz because we're taking a quiz Friday. I'm not being mean to you guys. We have to go on with class. We can't miss 2 days in a row, okay? So, volleyball players, make sure you get caught up over the weekend. Make sure you're ready to take your quiz next week, your makeup quiz, okay? All right, the rest of you will have your class on Friday like usual. Hope that makes sense. All right, today we're doing notes only, okay? Notes only today. And today we will be watching a video about angles of triangles. We will be studying angles that are inside a triangle and angles that are outside of a triangle. The length of the video is 30 minutes and 45 seconds. By the time this video is over, the one right now and the instructional video, there will be about 10 minutes left in class. Now listen, I've never done this before. The remainder of the class, I want each student to copy the 2 theorems you're going to learn today and the 1 corollary you're going to learn today. You'll have it in your notes. I want you to copy each of those 3 times each. I know you're not going to like that. I'm not trying to win a popularity contest. This will help you learn them. You will turn them in before you leave today. So Mr. Ham will be sure and collect them. Make sure your names are on them, guys. And when the instructional video is over today, this 30-minute video, when it's over, you guys need to copy your 2 theorems 3 times each and your 1 corollary 3 times each. And you'll know what those are when you're done watching the video today. Okay? All right, moving on. The video you are to watch today is lesson 4.2. Lesson 4.2, your homework assignment that is due Friday. I'm giving you homework, guys. It's due Friday. Guys, there's nothing wrong with that, okay? I can give you homework on Wednesday as long as it's due Friday. So your homework that's due Friday is right here. Please copy this down. This homework is due Friday. Copy that down now, please. This homework is due Friday. Here's the homework help video. Okay? Lesson 4.2 homework. Okay? Lesson 4.2 homework. Okay, let's go over what will be on your quiz Friday. Are you ready? Here's what will be on your quiz Friday. Please write this down. Anything from Tuesday's homework and anything from tomorrow's homework is fair game. Make sure you can work those types of problems. So, you need to study 2 homework assignments. Make sure that you can work those problems out. So the homework from Tuesday and the homework from tomorrow, this assignment right here, any of that is fair game on your quiz on Friday. Anything from Tuesday's notes and anything from today's notes is fair game. Study your notes from Tuesday and study your notes from today's video, please, okay? My number 1 concern is you guys will forget to study for your quiz Friday and that you will forget to do your homework Thursday night. All that I can say to you is please do not forget, okay? I can't go home and remind you. Please don't forget, okay? Have a good day, guys. Contact me if you have any questions.